Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. Me, Phil Billy. Today, I'm actually going to be working on, not the RF, but the F7. I've got one big job to do on it, and you'll see what that is in a minute when I pull it out. Also got some news as well. The original plans for the wagon, completely gone out the window. It's the big winter strip down, that's gone. That's out the window completely already. I haven't even started because I was just talking to one of my friends who was saying, oh, we're doing Lincoln truck show, and yes, I'm planning on doing it, but then I realized how close it is. Realistically, it's 3 months away, so we'll not kind of count January, because January there's not that much I can get on with because it's outside and it's dark at 3 o'clock. February, March, April, and it's the first week of May, so I've got like 3 months of nights and weekends to get it done. So plans have completely changed. Well, no, haven't completely changed. The plans have changed. Going to be doing first number one job is get it ready for test. I don't think I've got that much to do. There is a few jobs I need to do, but there's not that much. I'll go over that in another video on my wagon. There. And today, like I say, we're working on the F7, which is there, out that window. Don't know whether it should fire up or not. She might not, looking at the battery voltage there, like. I don't think she'll fire up, I might have to put a booster on it. Yep! See if she'll fire up. There you go. Woohoo! Forgot to put the cold start in as well, so. Hunky dory, man. Let's got the F7. We've still got the F7 running, build the wind up. Let's charge the batteries a bit. Are you ready to see the reason for getting everything out today? Shiny bits. And I'm not to fit. So I need to figure out how to get this mounted on there. Well, I've done lots of looking and thinking and going through the scrap piles and got a plan. Right, so obviously this is the pipe, this is the stand, this is the bracket. This bracket clamps on here. It's a little bit different to mine, which is mine, I think mine might be the older style maybe, I don't know. I'm not an Eminox expert. Into this bracket here, which then bolts onto this bracket here, which bolts on the chassis. But Dad's doesn't have that. Dad's has a different setup where it's just the pipe that goes straight down and there's this clamp. I'm going to, you might notice some bits there, put that there, get this bit of channel, because this fits perfect into there, so that's going to go onto there, like that. That sits into the channel on the body. I'm going to have that spaced up like that. So let's get cracking on. I'm going to mark this up now with me painty pen, and whoop. I might need to go and get some drill, a new drill, because mine won't do big enough stuff. Hunky dory, man. So that is going to be the bracket for an exhaust stand. I've zipped up me channel. I cut me spacer. New, she's getting welded up. I've given her a bit of preheat because it's thick old stuff. That's not going to come off. That's definitely not going to fall off, is it? Lovely. Nah. Let's go get this mounted onto the wagon. I'm going to bolt it, I think. I'm in 2 minds whether I bolt or weld it. I'm in 2 minds. So I've just been measuring up. I'm going to get this fitted on. But before I do that, it's really annoying me that it's minging, so I'm going to vapor blast it. Monkey's taking over. But it'll be much nicer once it's vapor blasted. So I've just done. So I haven't just done. Yeah, lovely. Got it bolted on, roughly. I'm just making sure that's level. And then I'm going to drill a hole through here. I'm going to put 2 bolts through. So the bracket's made, it's bolted in. I'm just on with the pole now, and we're trying to get it to sit in and sit level. So let's get that thrown in that clamp and get it set up with the trusty old spirit level. That's the post in. So I put a little bit of packing in the back of here because I did notice when I put it all in, the posts sit back like that. So just to get it a little bit more straight upright. So these bolts in, they're stainless, but they're seized into the cast alley bracket. Me and Dad threw the box on very quickly, just threw that up in place on here, and it was well up there, like the bottom of the box was good here. It was just too high. I want it down a little bit. Get that slid down the tube, this one as well, so I can set the height of the box, because we don't want it too high. We don't want it too high, we just want it. Well, are you ready to see the exhaust on, but not on yet? It's nearly on, but it's on. Look at that, man. It's cracking, isn't it? Fits lovely. The good thing about this one being the modern style, the oval, is it fits in between the carb nice, gives it plenty of space. It is a little bit tight at the minute. We're getting there, it's not far. It's got the ratchet straps on, holding it in place at the minute, and I'm putting the bands on. We'll get it bolted up and tightened up and set for height from there. Hunky dory that, man. Look at that. It's all bolted up in place. Oh, that needs to be rotated a little bit, but not much. To be honest, we might even have to cut it down a little bit if it's too tall for the shed, but we'll see. But no, we're flying now, man. Still got to pipe it up and everything, and I've still got the brackets to put on, but we're not far off now. Look at that. Look at that. I want a bigger tailpipe for mine now. It's bolted up, we've still got a bit more brackets and stuff to do. Bolted up down here. We've got the bolt, one of the support ties down here. Done the same as what I did on mine, where I used a bit of flat with 2 holes in and bolted the chassis. Makes it nice and strong. That's not going anywhere. Got one more tie to go on it, but that's not happening today. Now, I think it's time to get tied up. I'll put the wagons away. Can you tell she started? Hopefully when it's up there it'll make a big difference for getting gas, especially when we're using the Hiab. Well, she's back in the shed. I did move the boxes down as much as I possibly could, and I'm pleased I did, because look at that. That just misses the button. If I went forward and the second, it misses this first button, but if I went forward and on the second button it would have caught. I think once when I get the that bit slackened off and twisted, what I might do is I might just try and drop it down an inch or two, or even if I have to, take it up and I'll cut an inch off here or something. Go jump in my wagon, start her up and get it built, push back, and you build the wind up. But yeah, so it's a really good job done today. We're going to get more time on the F7 soon, hopefully. I really need to spend more time on the ERF, get her a bit more ready for the shows. Let's see, get the code up. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, because I don't know when I'm going to be getting back onto them properly. Spotty dog. There we go, you can see it's because I put my poppy on. But yeah, that's it for this video, where I obviously got the Eminox fitted onto the wagon, but not piped up yet. That's to come. Just need to actually get time to do that. That's a bit more of a bigger job than just fitting it, I think, because there's a lot more fiddly work involved. Need a bit more time, a bit better weather. So, but the main thing is, it's fitted on the wagon, and now it's ready to pipe up whenever I get a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got, like I said, as always, got plenty more to come with both this, the F7, whatever else comes my way. And I hope you're all having a good time, and we'll catch you all soon. Ta-ra for now.